What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? This your boy Legion back with another video. You already know what day it is. Throw them dogs. Throw them dogs off. Y'all see what we got on the thumbnail today. We got the GOAT. I'm talking about the man who changed the game when he copped in, bro. When he jumped in, for real, dog. I talk about the reason why I got dressed today. Bang, bang, la, sa. I know, and I'll tell you though, game day, that's all I used to live with that Cheif Keef, you be lit. But you already know what to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel if you ain't already. You know where to be at back next week on Wednesday. Throw those on. But yeah, and another thing. Next Wednesday, it ain't no vocal tutorial. Expect a mixing tutorial. A full mixing tutorial. Y'all been asking in the comments, so I'm gonna give it to y'all. And I need y'all to watch the whole video since y'all asking for it. So watch the whole mixing tutorial. I'm gonna put it up and everything. It's gonna be on next Wednesday. It's gonna be that instead of the vocal tutorial. But I'm done talking. We gonna get to that Cheif Keef tutorial, cause everybody be fine, like always. Let's do it. Yeah. Alright, now we finna jump into the hook. Let's get it. Bye. Bye bye. Salsa baby. GB baby. Bye hold Bye. 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 Bye bye. 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 Aye. Ryan was some shooter bitch, and I'm a shooter bitch, clutching on that rugger bitch, and I shoot you bitch. Yeah, we on that ruthless shit, No, it's time to get it, yeah, it's time to get it. Ryan was some shooter bitch, and I'm a shooter bitch, clutching on that rugger bitch, and I shoot you bitch. Yeah, we on that ruthless shit, You know it's time to get it, nigga. No, it's time to get it. That's how Cheif Keef. Bye. Now we're gonna jump into them ad-libs. Let's get it. Cheif Keef style. Let's get it. Bye. Shooter bitch. Bye. 300. Aye. Bye. Bye. 300. Salsa. Alright, now we about to jump on that vocal chain. We're gonna listen to this playback. Let's get it. So this is what I got for my other tool for Cheif Keef. Go ahead and get that. That's what I got for my delay. Go ahead and get that. Now we're gonna listen to the best part. Y'all ready for that motherfucker? Say y'all ready for that motherfucker? Let's get it. Bye. Salsa baby. GB baby. Hold on. Bye. Aye. Ryan was some shooter bitch, and I'm a shooter bitch, clutching on that rugger bitch, and I shoot you bitch. Yeah, we on that ruthless shit, No, it's time to get it, yeah, it's time to get it. Ryan was some shooter bitch, and I'm a shooter bitch, clutching on that rugger bitch, and I shoot you bitch. Yeah, we on that ruthless shit, You know it's time to get it, nigga. No, it's time to get it. Ride through the city in a roll, bitch, you know I be the king, so I'ma shoot your block over and over. Keep on sending out no shots till he slumped over. Tato past the Molly water, know I'm on it, nigga. Y'all be tucking all y'all chains, I'ma show it, nigga. OTF and GBE, you know that
nigga. Gotta keep the heat on me like I'm anemic, little nigga. All these chains on, looking like the lightning, little nigga. All your brains on the pavement, little nigga. That what happen when you speaking on the king sauce and name. I done made the biggest impact in the game. Ride with some shooter, bitch, and I'ma shoot a bitch. Clutching on the Ruger, bitch, and I shoot you, bitch. Yeah, we on that ruthless shit. We on that ruthless shit. No, it's time to get it, yeah. Yeah, it's time to get it. Ride with some shooter, bitch, and I'ma shoot a bitch. Clutching on that Ruger, bitch, and I shoot you, bitch. Yeah, we on that ruthless shit. We on that ruthless shit. You know it's time to get it, nigga. You know it's time to get it.
Niggas can't tell me Cheif Keef like don't be going shit like that, man. You already know what the fuck going on. But like this video, subscribe to the channel if you ain't already. You already know where we at next week for the mixing tutorial. Throw them doors up. But let's get it. It's your boy Leading and we out of here. Yeah.